Hey, welcome back. I'm Mushtaq from AiUstad, and today we are going to review one of the best AI tool from one of the best and big tech giant. Well, this week in the world of AI and AI tools get really noisy as Meta has just announced their very own image generator. Yes, you heard it right. Meta has announced their very own first AI image generator tool by which you can generate high quality images with the help of text prompts. Well, Meta has just announced it a few days ago, and many people are working on deeply over this AI tool. Right now, it's totally free, and many gurus in the world of AI and AI tools are comparing it and marking it as a strong competitor to DALL-E and Midjourney. So, we'll review the tool completely and then we will compare it with the DALL-E and Mid Journey using some same prompts in the all tools. Well, so without wasting further time, let's head over to our computer screen and see how actually this tool works. Well, Meta has just named it with as Imagine with Meta AI, and you can access it through imagine.meta.com. Well, it's totally free, but right now it's only available in the US region. So if you want to use it in outside of US, you can use it and you can access it through a virtual private network, or you may use a VPN or a US proxy to access it completely. Well, on the login page it's quite simple, and Meta has just kept it really normal, really simple. As on the right side of the page we have a images gallery which has some showcase images generated with Meta AI, and then on the left side we have a simple box by on which you can input your prompt, and then we have a generate button by which you can generate your images. Well, first of all, let's log in it, and you can log in it with Instagram, with Facebook, and you can also log in it with your email. As I already have the account, so let's click on login to log in your account. So I am just signed in my account, and as you can see here, there is a prompt box, and then we have some results over the prompt. So let's try with our very first prompt. So I am going to generate a character with a solid background, which will be a dog in a park sitting on a bench in the autumn. Let's click on generate to generate the images. Well, here you can see the generated images. On the bottom left we have a watermark by the Meta. Well, we have in every generation we will have 5 images. You can choose any image and you can check out the quality of the image. It's really realistic. But when we come to DALL-E add some extra options and add some extra details in the images. Now let's try with another prompt in which we are going to generate a logo for the our company. Well, for me, Meta is not such good in generation of text and words. So let's see actually how it generate and produced the text over an image. Now let's click on generate. As you can see, the results are not impressive. As you can see, we have images, but there is only one image with correct spellings and correct words. All of other remaining images are not good with the text generation. So for me, Meta is just failed in this position, in this step with the DALL-E and Midjourney, and both of other competitor are really good at generation of words and texts. So now let's try another prompt and try to generate a landscape image and see the color combinations and contrast of the image. Well, here you can see the image is really good. it has produced a good result against our given prompt, but the contrast is not such good. You can say it's good for some people and it's not good for some people. The contrast is a bit low as the colors are not such good produced. So let's try with an other image. So it's good with the low contrast too. Here we are going to have a close-up image of a couple. Okay, so we have two characters in the image and we will be able to see how it actually produces results when we have multiple objects and multiple characters in our image. Well, here you can see we have got about 5 images again, and it looks quite impressive, and I will say this is far from better than the images generated in the DAL level. The colors are much realistic, much good, and extra objects added in the image are also fair. So I can say in this step it's much better than DAL and Mid Journey too. Well, right now it's very first version of the meta image generator, so we can say it's good to go with the first version, as it will grow up with the time. The results will also get good. So well, this AI model is generated and it's trained over a billion images from Facebook and from Instagram. So Meta is using their own images for the generation of and for the ideas or the of the images. So as both of the platforms like Facebook and Instagram have some large amount of images, so that's why I think it will be in the future. It will be much good, and let's see that will Meta keep it free, or will they produce or come out with the pricing plans. So that's what pretty much from today. We'll meet up in the next video with the next AI tool. Till that, bye bye.